Hi, Sean and Amanda back from KVS Travel. We are at Blue Waters now, Royalton's newer property in Jamaica. Room number 4204. This is a luxury junior suite with ocean view.
Immediately to your right is the water closet. It's separate, so that's good. And then we have the signature soaking tub with jets.
And we just have this closed to show you that there is like a privacy curtain, but it makes it look small.
Yeah,
probably
so
video.
you're not
So we'll open it up just to show you do have privacy. We're in the bathroom. But this is a king room, so most likely there'll be two of you, and most likely you won't care about that privacy, but you might.
The shower is over here, separate shower.
It's nice. Rain shower heads,
Very
L-shaped bench, tile, luxurious, oyster tile, accent, the soaking jetted tub, double sink, all that. Get your big closet here. Get your ironing board, umbrella, iron, robe, extra blanket. Slippers, safe, some more storage, plenty of hangers and a shelf. And we go into the bedroom and you've got a nice mirror, you got a big king size bed. It's designed and decorated tastefully and luxurious, modern. Got a nice flat screened, framed. So it's a much better value to me than the other property. But if you're on a budget, it's right next door, the White Sands.
This is a really big room.
So now this room isn't Diamond Club, but it's the same. For Diamond Club, you would just get a different location, a better location on the property, and access to a butler. They'll check in and check out lounge. It always has food and drink and relaxation. It's chilled. You get priority. Do you get priority seat at the restaurants? I keep getting that screwed up from different hotels and all that. But you get a lot more with the Diamond Club. And when you call us, we'll give you the list of what you get from Diamond Club. So it's gonna be the same looking room though. So this is an ocean view, but it's got a beautiful little oversized chair here for two people. Nice little desk, working area, or makeup stand, you know, whatever.
There's a lot of mirrors in this room.
Yeah.
There's at least 4 mirrors, so
it's
you
got
got
really
plenty
nice.
of places to get ready.
Earth cream tone. The colors are nice. They're relaxing. Much different than.
And this is your ocean view.
Well, look at the view. You get the lazy river view as well. There's the water park. This gives you a great view of what you're getting here. So right across there, that's the White Sands. And then that's the water park that both people can use. And then here we're at Blue Waters. Now the difference is when you stay here at Blue Waters, you not only get a nicer room and a nicer property, but you get privilege to go over and check out White Sands and eat in their restaurants and see what it's all about.
This balcony is really large.
Yeah, so I'll just check it out.
Not a little balcony by any means. You can hang your suits or your towels right there.
Yeah,
Look at this. This is beautiful view. Your balcony.
So all the people there wondering, what does the water look like there? There it is. Beautiful Jamaican water. And there actually is going to be a new property in the near future on the other side of White Sands. And we'll let you know what that is. Down here we have the swim out suites. So you get to see that. And there's some over there as well. And you see the building's beautiful. The beach is right there. The lazy river, the water park over here is the pool, the main pool. And over under that roof is the pool swim up bar and bar. So you don't have to be swimming.
And that out there, that structure is the wedding gazebo out there on the
Actually, no, it's over on the other side too as well, I think. See this other gazebo? Is it that shed? I think that's the parasol. But it's over there. They have a wedding gazebo thing over there. The spa is right in the middle of the properties. Both properties share the spa. We were through the spa. It's very nice. And you get to use Diamond Club. Gets to use the hydrotherapy facilities for an hour each day with appointment. Okay? You want to sit down for a second? So, subscribe to our YouTube channel, KVS Travel, Kilo Victor Sierra Travel. When you subscribe, you get $25 off your first booking. We travel and try to see everything we book to see if it's the real deal and to give you the real scoop. We're with you from the beginning to the end. We tell you if there's smells or no smells, because you don't want smells. Usually people don't want smells. Follow us on Facebook, like us on there, all that stuff. Twitter, I go on occasionally. I'm not on Instagram. But call us if you're serious. We do these videos only for our clients to book. So if you want to be a client, sorry about my wife's fingers. Sorry, if you want to be a client, call us. But we don't answer questions unless you're going to be booking with us. Just so you know, we're not here to answer your questions because you're already booked. This is for our clients because we only pay the bills when you book your trip with us. So we have 97% of the time we have the best pricing. 3% of the time the pricing is off by just a couple of bucks, but you're getting a guaranteed room with us. And we also set your room up, special requests, and all kinds of other stuff that other people don't do. The best customer service, you can get my cell phone, 610-334-1917. And we offer the travel insurance, we offer your booking, the excursions. We do cruises, we do Caribbean, we do all-inclusive, we do Hawaii. What else am I missing? We do Disney, of course, and you get a $25 gift card when you book Disney with us. So we do all those really nice places. Check all our videos, you'll see where we've been. So if this isn't the place for you, we'll find it for you. This is Sean, that's Amanda, thank you.
We're here inside the Royalton Blue Waters lobby. It's an all suites property. And there you have the bar to your right. Around the corner here we have a concierge. Display for some jewelry. To your left, we have the check-in desk. Very light, airy. It smells really fresh. It's nice and cool. Nicely air conditioned. The view of your gorgeous beach. There's your swim up suites. This is a family property. They do have a hideaway for adults only. In the family section. I'm gonna go over here and get a mojito.
Don't stop. So these two ladies are making us mojitos, and then this is like a little signature drink. It's a blue water. Tell us what's in there.
Apricot, blue haricot, vodka, soda water, and lime juice.
Excellent.
Yes, so that's like that's the signature blue water. Okay.
So when they come, they should say, "I want the signature cocktail."
Ask for Sylvester.
That's the welcome drink.
Welcome drink.
Yeah,
First
Sylvester will
thing
get that for you.
When you reach the royalty.
Because
We're on the blue water side.
Thanks, ladies.
She's crazy.
I want to see the mojito.
I like the
Oh,
pineapple.
look at those. Gorgeous.
And that mojito made by
Thank you. Waters Diamond Club Lounge. Have lovely ladies here to check you in.
Say hi, ladies. Give me all famous.
And then you come into this comfortable lounge for Diamond Club members only. You can relax while they check you in. You can have a bite to eat. You can have a bar. You can get a drink. You can have water, beers, sodas. It's a very nice spread. Looks delicious. Some desserts. swing off a suite building right here. Outside the lobby, you come straight out here. And then here's your lazy river. Looks like fun. I could get in there. Little jacuzzi area to your right. Lazy river, and then the water park behind it, which is Boylston White Sands. This is Blue Waters. People from Blue Waters can go over to the White Sands area, but the people over in White Sands cannot come over and enjoy the Blue Waters. Take a quick look at the beach over here. We've got these private cabanas you could rent. Take a little walk this way. Setting up for a wedding right there. A beautiful backdrop of the turquoise waters. These are your cabanas you can rent for
About 150 a day. Comes with service, TV. How many people is that? It's up to you for the day. So it's yours for the day, and you get
unlimited amount of people.
yeah, unlimited, whatever you want to. Yeah, you are comfortable having it in your space. So this is a Ruralton thing. They have them at many of their locations.
Swim up bar area at Boylston Blue Waters. Nice and big, a lot of shade. Great family resort. Gorgeous sand. This is your Diamond Club beach area for Diamond Club guests only. And the waiter service to your cabanas. Diamond Club Beach Bar. You can get your butler to serve you down here.
It's much better than the modern window here.
And here you have your non-motorized water sports, kayaks.
For weddings, that's one of the wedding areas as well, the gazebo.
Okay, wedding gazebo over there at the end of the pier. Nice and quiet over there.